today we're moving the baby ducks from the little box, brood box that's been in the house, out to their bigger brood box in the goat barn. As you can see, they've been in this box since they've hatched out. Now, it is messy, but that is just, I changed it out last night before I went to bed. They make such a mess, but look how cute they are. They're big enough and ready to go to the new brood box, so I'm gonna let you follow along as I take them out to their new little place. As soon as we come outside and they heard the birds, they started chirping. So they're gonna love it outside. So let's go get them in their new place. So the brood box that I'm taking to is the one that we built inside the goat barn that you've seen before, that we put our baby chicks in. Well, let's go for a ride all the time. And Stumpy, the chicks that were in there, he just took to the sale and sold those. And so I'm gonna clean up the shavings from that, because our water that was out there, we didn't realize was leaking everywhere. And so a lot of the pine shavings that would be probably okay to put these ducks in now is moldy. So we're gonna go and scoop some of that out and get it refreshed and ready to put the new baby ducks in. Why did I hatch out ducks? I don't know, I just wanted to. I love the feeling of bringing new life into the world, and it's just fun to watch. And I feel like at some point with our ducks that we have, we're gonna have to have some new ones. So I figured these could go to the sale if Stumpy wants to take them to sale, whatever they want to do. So it's always nice to have new life. So let me get in here and get started. Bert, get off of her. Good morning, guys. Bless your heart. They're so loud. As you can see, this is the brood box. And if you look down in here, it molded. So I'm gonna scoop all this out and put some fresh shavings in for the babies. And they should like it a lot. So let's see if we can get that going. Yuck. Gross. A bit more. He should like this. He should like this, maybe. I think that's good for them. Don't have it messy today, but it's a good start. So let's get the water and the feeder in here, and we'll see how it goes. So mean. Some water in that. And then I got them a feeder. Maybe they'll like eating out of this, I hope. Get some feed in it. Put it right there. Now, let's get feed and water and see how they like it. Hopefully, put this water on this block because they tend to make a mess in the water, and maybe this would keep them from making a mess. So, we'll see. Let's get some feed and water. Look, there's water right there. Look, water right there. Water right there. There you go. Water right there. There you go. There you go, little bit. These are the chunky ones. Okay, look, water right there. Water right there, look. Water right there. There you go, right here. There you go. Oh yeah, nice too. Hello, little bits. Water right there. Right there. There, uh-oh, look. Stand up, it's okay. Look, I got y'all food right here too. Okay. Oh, they look happy, don't they? Yay. Look at them. They're doing so good. Finished up with the ducks. Baby's awake. Time to go get baby and take care of him now. But I appreciate you guys watching and following us on this journey of moving these little baby ducklings to their new little home. I think they're gonna like it, and we'll decide on what we're gonna do with them when they get bigger. If somebody wants to take them to the sale, or if we want to replace the ducks that we have. I don't know, we'll see. So, they're doing great. We'll keep you updated on how they do and what our plans are with those. So thank y'all for following us. Stumpy always says, a simple life is a much more enjoyable life now. Let's go get that grandbaby.